In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove CC and BCC options from your Gmail. This guide is perfect for anyone looking to streamline their Gmail experience and focus on direct communication through email. Let's dive right in. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Gmail website. Ensure you're logged into your account as we start this process. Once you're on the main Gmail dashboard, look towards the top right corner of your screen. Here, you'll see an icon resembling a gear. That's your settings menu. Click on this gear icon to reveal a drop-down menu. From there, you'll need to select See All Settings. This will lead you to the main settings page where we'll make our necessary adjustments. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the settings layout. It might seem overwhelming at first, but we're only concerned with a few specific options. Once you've opened the settings page, focus on the tabs stretching across the top. The tab you'll want to select is labeled Advanced. Clicking on Advanced will show you several configurable options. Now, within the advanced settings, take a careful look at the list of features. Our goal here is to locate the Templates option. Templates allow you to manage how your emails appear and what options are available when you compose an email. Once you've found templates, you do not need to make changes to the templates directly, but it's essential to understand they enable customization of your email functions. Instead, what we're doing today involves a bit of manual adjustment in the Composer window itself. Go ahead and return to your main Gmail inbox. Click on the Compose button located on the left-hand side of the page. With the email composition menu open, you'll notice to the right of the To field, there's a link showing CC/BCC. Click on this to expand the fields directly in your Compose window. Removing these fields is not a direct feature offered by Gmail, but here's a little trick. Once you've expanded them by clicking, they remain open. From now on, you'll want to discipline yourself to avoid using CC and BCC fields when sending an email. The focus is on fostering more direct communication by using the To field exclusively. Unfortunately, Gmail does not allow a permanent removal of these fields itself. However, setting a conscious practice of ignoring them is feasible. Keep your correspondence direct by consistently sending emails only using the To field. This habit minimizes the chances of sending unnecessary CCs or BCCs, maintaining your preference for a streamlined inbox experience. Thank you for following along with today's video. We hope this guide helps you achieve a more efficient and simplified Gmail experience. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials that enhance your daily tech usage. We'll see you in the next guide.